selecting cells to be formatted and accessing the Conditional Formatting menu. Using the mouse, click on column heading for range selection. Next, click Menu item Home and Conditional Formatting to access Conditional Format menu. Highlight cells rules, greater than, less than, etc. Conditional Format, highlight range, followed by clicking Home and Conditional Formatting. Click Menu item Highlight Rules and select greater than. I'll keep the default colors and set 500 as the comparison point. Click OK. Again, I'll click Conditional Formatting, highlight cells rules, less than. I'll enter 500 as my comparison point and select Custom Format from the menu. Then I select yellow from the palette as my fill. I click OK, then OK to finish. Top and bottom rules for conditional formatting. Conditional format top 10 values. Select range, menu item home, conditional formatting, top and bottom rules. I'll select green for top 10 values. Click OK. Conditional format bottom 10 values. Select range, menu item home, conditional formatting, top and bottom rules. I'll select red fill for bottom 10 values. Click OK. Let's scroll to see bottom values. Conditional formatting, data bars, color rules, and icon sets. Conditional format data bars, select range, menu item home, conditional formatting, data bars, then select data bar style, followed by conditional format colors, select conditional formatting, color scales, select color scales. Conditional format icons, select conditional formatting, icon sets, select icon set. Clear conditional formatting using the ribbon, and clear conditional formatting use the clipboard. Clear conditional formatting by clicking Home, Conditional Formatting, then Clear Rules. Clear conditional formatting from the clipboard by selecting a column with having the desired format, followed by clicking the Format Painter icon on the Home tab, then clicking the target column. Create conditional format manually from the ribbon. Create new conditional format rule by selecting the range, followed by clicking Conditional Formatting, select New Rule. The new formatting rule dialog box appears. I'll select Format based on cell values, and create an icon set. I'll select green when the value is within the top 33%, yellow when in the top 67%, and red for the bottom 33%. Click OK to accept. Managing conditional format rules using the Conditional Formatting Manager. Create, edit, and delete from the Rules dialog box. I'll use Format Manager to create a rule. Click Conditional Formatting, then click the Manage Rules. Click New Rule. I select the default color rule. Followed by OK. Click Apply, then OK to dismiss the Rule Manager. Next, I'll edit the rule by selecting the Manage Rules from the Conditional Format Manager. Select the rule, then click Edit. I'll change the rule to a 3-color scale. Followed by OK, then Apply. Click OK to dismiss the Rule Manager. Finally, I delete a rule from the Rule Manager. I select Manage Rules from the Conditional Format drop-down. Select the rule, click the Delete Rule button. Click Apply, click OK to dismiss the Rules Manager.